Tell me a joke.
About the man who lost the right side.
What the? Rewrite this.
Okay. Now here's something interesting. What if I want to create something that's written, but I only have a vague idea of what it is?
Okay.
Now, what's the name of our voice assistant on iPhone?
Siri.
Siri. Now, if I hold the side button, Siri,
Hi,
she
Siri.
grows. Now, here's the second part of Apple Intelligence. There's something called ChatGPT. Now, this is AI. Now, if I want the AI to write something special for me, I can ask it. So, for example, what's your favorite sport, Timothy?
Dancing.
Ken?
Dancing.
Dancing. All right, let's try something. I'm going to do dancing, and I'm going to have it written in the style of George Lucas.
Oh, okay.
So, Siri, write me a story. Write me a story about dancing in the style of George Lucas. Use ChatGPT.
Oh. Wow.
Wow.
You can write a story.
Did you take photo for it?
If I
Okay.
swipe down from the middle, I get spotlight. But watch this. Down the bottom where the frame is, if I double tap, I get my Siri keyboard.
Ah, yeah, like that. Okay.
Now, if you don't want to broadcast what you're doing, now you can do it a bit more discreetly.
I guess you put it up.
Nope. Watch this. On the frame, I double tap. On here, I have a whole litany of stuff. But there's one thing I might want to add. Voice memo. Have you used voice memo? Voice memo is when I record from my phone. So for example, if I want to do a podcast, which I do, or I wanted to take notes about a meeting or a uni meeting, I might, first of all, hold the blank part of the phone, and then I get add a control. Now, I'm going to type add a control, and at the top, I'm going to type in voice. There it is. Voice memo. And there we go. Right here, down the bottom is voice memo. And if I tap that, it discreetly comes on, and at the top, it starts recording. And take a look at the top of the phone. You see it's recording. Now you say something.
Hello, how are you?
See, it's got pretty good range.
Hello.
Now,
Hello.
that is
hello.
the way to discreetly do things. Now, remember, under New South Wales law, you need someone's express consent to record.
Yeah.
If you're planning to use an illegal submission. Well, any such advice I'm giving is strictly as a person that stopped doing a law degree. But remember, it can be used in the public interest. Okay, I just wanted to put that caveat in there. Fun.
It's only private.
Only private. Fun fact, I'm a film critic, so I have to do a bit of right from the battery down. Now, hold the blank for 10 minutes. My phone's on display to the public, and I can share cool things with people. Now, here's the thing.
I don't like it.
No, I would like to share something.
Yeah, Friday.
We actually, my critic outfit, we hang out with those guys. But yeah, Galaxy Game music forward. So from now on, if I'm looking for something, I might type productivity. There's my writing tools. And if I wanted music, look right up there. Have you ever used music, Tim?
Uh-huh.
Well, we already know, if I hold here, I get a little minus button as well. So let's say I want to get rid of solitaire. Tap the minus button, and I can delete the app or move from the home screen. Deleting the app means it's gone from the phone. Or I can remove from the home screen. Now what that means is on my home screen, I am safe.
Ooh.
Means I've removed the duplicate.
I don't know how I've been using this.
Now that is your app library. Now if you keep clicking, you get to this page and you get the app library. So you're able to tap here and get a full list of all of your apps. Now if I want my apps elsewhere, I hold here and I drag, I put it on the main screen. So it's a matter of what apps do I want on my phone. It's kind of fun. I hold it down, that's right.
Like this?
And now I can customize or add a new wallpaper.
Like for example.
Let's customize.
Yeah, you do that.
So, firstly, to do this, what we do is we get to our lock screen. Look at my hand. I'm going to look way down like this.
Yeah.
And then hold my finger down over here.
What? This is good. How do you do that?
So, first of all, swipe down. No, swipe down. So we
That,
go.
and then you can change the.
Now, hold here.
You can change the.
Yeah.
Hold here.
Yeah.
You can have a love heart.
There you go.
You can have
And now you
that,
can add
have
another
that.
screen. You can have multiple screens. What I like is you have something for every occasion.
Yeah, I
So
do
for
this one, like what the one you got.
And then you can make
so
multiple.
I have this one to see my cat. I have this one for my aunt when I miss her most because sadly not around. I have this one I'm feeling nerdy.
Wow. Wow. So that's how you do it, and then you can. Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wow, that's your cat.
What's my cat? It's a bit of a
Oh.
model.
Yeah, my rabbit's a model too. The superstar.
Do you have your rabbit as a wallpaper?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I will do this way.
She is
You
stunning.
can do
She'll
this
look great on your
way.
phone so you can
She'll do this way. You can do this way. You can even change the color. Oh, green, purple. Oh, indigo. Oh, okay. And then you can just choose a different photo. Maybe a random person. Oh, a horse. Perfect. You can make the horses black and white. This one, this one, this. Oh. Interesting. And then you can make the clock.
Okay.
Okay, now let's do the last trick of the day. How many of you have used Image One? Sorry, have you used Image One?
What? What?
Actually, that's perfect.
Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
Add an image to it. So, see that circle with 3 dots? If I tap on it,
This one? Which one?
see the markup tool right here?
Yeah.
I want you to draw either a car, a rabbit, or a cat or a dog. Something you can draw.
I love dogs. Sorry.
So I drew a bat. So let me know when you finish drawing what you need.
Where did you go?
Okay, let's do new note down here. New note. I want you to try and use the markup tool.
Had to fix up the. Okay.
Now, see right here, your drawing.
Oh. Okay.
And then
Wait, how do
type.
you?
Yep, make sure you've selected the wand.
This is the one.
Yep.
Anyone?
Tap the wand.
That's the one. Anyone?
That's the wand. Yep, this one. So circle around. And then type in what it is. So I'm going to type in bat. And let's see what this turns my... Oh, look, it's Batman. Okay. So yeah, you just need to tell it what your drawing is, and it makes it...
What the?
This is amazing.
Oh, that's cute. Ah! That doesn't look like tree to me. Ah! What the?
Okay, we got to talk later.
Why does it? Why does it? What? Oh, there we go. Finally.
So see-
Yay!